Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with another Excel automation. In this automation, we are trying to generate some reports. Initially, we set up a format with the help of Word document, and we were plotting it with some images, some charts, the charts and table, the graph table and images. And these are coming from the Excel file, which is this one. And initially, we have only SA1 and SA2. So I designed it in a way that a Word template can be used with the images available on an exact file name in the same folder that can get picked up and pasted in the sheet in here with every essay. Then the table will be getting updated from the Excel file and also the chart. So, but due to some changes requirement, I think the Word format is not now feasible. So I'll go through the changes you are asking. So, yep, to add it up to 50, I think it was already updated up to 47, but not colored blue. But now I have added up to 50, and any values up to 50 will get updated in the chart. The second thing was, yeah, the SA1 and SA2. So, yep, I have modified it in a way that you can always use from only SA1, SA2, or maybe up to SA10. And I have also added the 10 essays. You can see those are in here, SA1 to SA10. And yep, now you can use it. You don't need to delete it. It will ask you. I'll show you this. So the system will ask you, the automation will ask you how many pages you want to print. So I'll show you how to enter and what number to be entered once you want to print something. So if you want to print all 10, there will be 20 pages because each essay has been associated with 2 pages. One is the chart and table, and the other one is image, I guess. So if you want to print 5 essays, you need to enter 10. I can always multiply it, but I'm giving asking you the exact page number, how many page number you want to print. I'll explain that. Let me show you in here. So this is the format now, which is built in Excel now. Now all the charts will be coming in directly from the Excel to Excel. And the image format will be at the bottom. Let me start with SA1, and this is the image here. So for example, if you want to change the image, you just need to double click on the file. Let me show you. Okay, so I'll show you the process. So this is exactly the format which is initially built in a Word. Now this is built in Excel, and we'll be pulling all the data from SA1 to SA10 in here directly. Currently, it's not showing SA10 because we do not have any entry in the SA10. So you need to enter SA10 in here, and you will be able to see the SA10. And once the values are there, those will get reflected automatically in here. And all the blue values are the input cell. Let me copy paste some data quickly. You can see the chart has been plotted in here, and the chart will be updated automatically in here as well with all the tables. And if you will add the description then at the bottom, and yes, you can always add up to 3, up to 4. So let me take some data from this sheet. All right. So I have added up to 4 entries. Let me show you on SA10 what will happen. So there will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if I remove any of the entries, you will see no table with no graph, no borders as well. So, and if I'll delete maybe 2 of those although you can see the chart and table, all the colors in here, but those will not be reflected in here automatically. I'll show you the print format as well. So you can see it's auto formatted, and once there will be any entry, it will show the borders and everything. But if there is no entry, it won't. Okay, I think there is something wrong with the formula, I guess. Or maybe I have made some changes. All right, so now I'm going to add some entries on the other side, which are this one. Let me again copy this. Let's keep the fourth one as well. Let's take these two as well. I think those are it. That's it. We don't need the bottom cells anymore. So that is it. Now you can see if I'll go to the page 10, you will see all the entries are in here with all the available values. The tables are updated, chart is there, and the results are there. And now the image part. You need to click on this. Once you want to change the image for the essay 10, click on this, go to shape format, shape fill, picture, from file, and here you can change the picture and it will automatically change the size and fix it as it should be in the image in the page. And yeah, most of these are automatic. I have also automated these. So these are coming directly from the dashboard. On all the pages, if you change the values in this, those will get reflected on the other side. Similarly, with this name will go directly into this name. I think this all should be on the upper part. This should be left indented. Yep, this should be left indented and this should be right. I'll make the change on all of these. I'll show you how to add more pages. If you want to add more pages, maybe more than 10 essays, I'll show you how you can do that too. So stick with me. Okay, so this is coming from dashboard. And if you want to see which values are there, so you can always change the color as well. But I think we can automate the project name as well. So we can take the project name directly from somewhere in the dashboard or maybe in the first document in here somewhere. And that will get reflected in all of the pages automatically. Then the photo plate 1, plate 2, I think this should be added at every time. So I think this is the plate 1 and plate 2, but you can always change the number. So these are the 3 initial updates which you might need to enter manually. And then the comment section, you can always comment, like change the comments, type in anything directly in here, or we can formulate it. And if you want to keep the comment for all the images same, we can use it. We can automate it. Otherwise, you can enter the values in here. All right. So these are the 4 inputs: 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are the 4 inputs on all the pages you can make the changes in. Rest of all the data is automatic along with this image. So you need to change the image. Just click on it, go to shape format, shape fill, picture, from file, change the image, and that's it. All right, now I'll show you the printing part, how you are going to use it. For example, if you are on essay 1 or maybe on any essay and you want to print only 5 essays, once you click the generate document, it will ask you how many pages you want to enter. So you can enter from 1 to 20. So as we want to print only 5 essays, so we will be entering 10 in here. So we want to print 10 pages. Yep, the file will be saved as P1. We can change the name as well. The date and timestamp will be there so that you can easily identify which file is it. Okay, let me open the file. All right, so these are the files updated, and this is the latest file. So we printed 10 pages. You can see it's showing 10 of 10. So we have 5 essays printed. Let me quickly print another, maybe up to maybe 12. Once the printing is completed, it will obviously pop up that the file has been updated with 033944 timestamp. We'll go to this folder. You will see the file has updated from SA1 to SA6, including the image file. Yeah, the image 1 is a change and image 2. Let's change the image 2 and run it again. So if I'll go to the page 1, so you need to enter the images in here directly. So for example, if I want to change the image for image SA3, I'm showing you the process so that you can easily like track. You don't need to see the whole video. You can find the multiple examples. So now we have changed the image. I'll generate the document and I'll print maybe 14 this time. The file has been updated, and first image change, second is okay, third is change, and then we will go down to SA7 because we printed 14 pages. So it's going to show us as 7 essays. Okay, so this is it for this demo, and then I'll show you how you can add more essays in case you want to. Okay, so to add more essays, you just need to duplicate the file, change the name to 11, and you have to change the name in here 11 as well so that it can get pick up. And then you can come on to P1, copy the column right from the left, maximum to the right. It's good if you can click on the page layout so that you can see exactly which pages you are printing. So this is page 1, and I just copied it from here. I'll go to the next page. I'll just simply paste in here. As soon as I pasted, as you can see, this is essay 11, and I don't know if I want to make some changes in it. Okay, let's make some changes. So I made some change with the starting point of 0.645. I don't know. Okay, so I'll come in here, and now here on this cell, you can see it's taking the value from SA10. I want to change it SA11. You can directly enter SA11 as well, like you can type in SA11, and that won't be visible because I have keep the font wide so that we don't see and we don't use it. So this is the reference exactly from which the file, from which essay the data to be pulled. So you can see currently not, and if I'll change it to SA11, this will be showing SA11. Now regarding the chart, you can jump on SA11, come in here, copy the chart, click on this cell, the first available cell in here, and paste it in here. You might need to modify the size a little, so you should not need to. I'm just fine tuning, you don't need to. Okay, so this is done. SA11 is there. Now if you want to change the image again, now everything is automated. You just simply need to press SA11 in here, and this will get linked to SA11. This is simple, and this is how you can add. Let me make some change on SA11, and let's see if that reflects in here. If I delete the orange line, you can see the orange line got deleted, and everything is automated, and all the values are reflected. Let me change this to and delete these two as well. You will see those get remaining, only 2 remaining, and here it's got covered up the area. All right, so you can see everything is dynamic. We just need to enter SA11 in this one. Similarly, if you want to make more copies or more sets, you can always do that. And again, now there are SA11, so there will be 22 pages. And if you come in here, if you type 22, it will not take because I have kept it to 20, but I'll modify it to maybe up to 50. If I click OK, it will ask you, okay, no, this is invalid number. You can maximum print 20. I'll modify it to reach up to 22. Okay, let's try with the 20. And I think that concludes the demo. And I'm now repeating the whole process again and again. 20 pages, yeah, 20 pages. Rest of the bottom will be, I think there are some error on page 9. Yeah, there are no values in it. So these are error, and SA9 is not updated. So we are unable to see any values in here. So yeah, that concludes the demo. Let me cover the area this one. So this is done. Now for this one, the scientific, I think I have already modified it. Now you can see all of these are scientifically corrected with the decimal value and exponential value to it. 3 and 4 box is also already shown. So the box need to be manually. Yeah, this is a manual entry. You have to manually enter the values in the SA1, SA2, all of these. Like all of these are manual. These are manual. This is manual, and then blue. All the blue cells are manual values, and you have to enter values manually. Regarding this, yeah, this has also been updated. That all the charts will get updated with the new values. Let me update up to 160 maybe with 0.7 in it, and you will see it reached up to 160. Let me make it 220, and here you will see that chart got updated automatically. Similarly, with the x-axis, it will also change. So all the charts on essays are dynamic now, and you can make any change in it, and those will get automatically adjusted. Regarding this part, I'm not sure about 100% about it. So yeah, I don't know if I'm not sure exactly, but if you want to make some changes on the formula so that if there is the values are not going up to, like the infiltration is not up to 75% or 25%, you can point me out that it should affect like this, and I'll make sure that it's not updating once the values are not there. But I'm not sure what is this 111. These are basically these values are basically linked to these values, and these values are coming from these 4 values. So I think the 75% and 25% are coming somewhere from here, and once you'll make the changes, you can let me know, okay, no, this is not right and this should not show. So you can let me know and I'll do that. But I'm not 100% sure what exact change you want me to do in here. What else? Oh yes, so the name change. Yeah, okay, now initially when it was Word, I can do that, but now we are not using the Excel format. So as I earlier told you that we are taking the values for these links and this name in the data, but we are not taking any other. But if you want to take it, like, we cannot dynamically change the header of the page. Regarding the header, let me tell you about the header, something like that. So I have also added the header, which is exactly the same as the Word document earlier. So while testing, and the name, company name in here. Yeah, I think I missed this part, the first page part. I will add this part. I'll try to make the same formatting on the Excel file and then print this page first, and then add the pages on the rest of the pages in the PDF. Though it will be a bit difficult part because I'm printing it from the one tab and the page 1 is not empty. Okay, I'll try my level best to add that title page in the PDF. So that is it from my side. Please do review and do let me know what else, or maybe if I missed something. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.